Alright, bone anatomy exercise. The first question here is, humans have dash bones. Is it 100, 106, or 206? And the correct answer is 206. 2. Axial skeleton has dash bones. Is it 80, 115, or 126? And the correct answer is 80. The axial skeleton has 80 bones. 3. Appendicular skeleton has dash bones. Is it 100, 126, or 180? You got that correct. The appendicular skeleton has 126 bones. 4. The skull has dash bones. Is it 8, 14, or 22? And you got that. The skull has a total of 22 bones. 5. The largest bone is dash. Is it the humerus, femur, or clavicle? And your correct answer is femur. The femur is the largest bone in the body. 6. The strongest bone is dash. Is it the humerus, femur, or clavicle? And your answer is femur. The femur is also the strongest bone. It is the largest bone and is the strongest bone. Number 7. The weakest bone is dash. Is it the stapes, scapula, or clavicle? The answer is clavicle. The clavicle can easily be fractured. Number 8. The smallest bone is it the stapes, patella, or radius? And the correct answer is stapes. The stapes is the smallest bone in the body. 9. Smallest bone is in the dash. Is it the ear, nose, or eye? And the correct answer is ear. So the stapes, which is the smallest bone, is found in the ear. 10. Skull protects the dash. Is it the brain, heart, or lungs? And your correct answer is brain. The skull protects the brain. 11. Ribs protect the dash. Is it brain, heart, or leg? You got that right. So the ribs protects the heart. 12. Backbone is also called dash. Is it spine, sternum, or scapula? And the correct answer is spine. So the backbone is also called the spine. 13. Upper arm bone is dash. Is it the femur, humerus, or radius? And the correct answer is humerus. So the humerus is a bone in the upper arm. 14. Longest bone is dash. Is it tibia, femur, or fibula? And your answer is still the femur. So the femur is the largest bone the strongest bone, and the longest bone. 15. Shoulder blade is dash. Is it the scapula, clavicle, or sternum? And your answer is the scapula. The scapula is also called the shoulder blade. 16. Collarbone is dash. Is it the ulna, clavicle, or patella? And the correct answer is clavicle. The clavicle is the collarbone. 17. Breastbone is dash. Is it the sternum, rib, or spine? And your correct answer is sternum. The sternum is the breastbone. 18. Kneecap. Kneecap is dash. Is it the patella, femur, or fibula? And the correct answer is patella. The patella is a kneecap. 19. Wrist bones are dash. Is it the carpals, tarsals, or phalanges? And your answer is carpals. So the carpals are the bones in the wrist. 20. Ankle bones are dash. Is it petals, carpals, or radius? And the correct answer is tarsals. Please, it is tarsals. So wrist bones are called tarsals. 21. Finger bones are dash. Is it phalanges, tarsals, or carpals? And the correct answer is phalanges. The phalanges are the bones in the fingers. 22. Thigh bone is dash. Is it the femur, tibia, or fibula? And your correct answer is femur. So the femur is a bone in the thigh. 23. Hip bone is dash. Is it the pelvis, femur, or patella? And your answer is pelvis. The pelvis is also called the hip bone. 24. Backbone is made of dash. Is it vertebrae, ribs, or sternum? And your answer is vertebrae. So the vertebrae makes up the backbone. 25. Upper jaw bone is dash. Is it maxilla, mandible, or zygomatic? The correct answer is maxilla. The maxilla is also called the upper jaw, or it is a bone in the upper jaw. 26. Lower jaw bone is dash. Is it the mandible, axilla, or frontal? And your correct answer is the mandible. The mandible is the bone in the lower jaw. 27. Major mineral in bones is dash. Is it calcium, iron, or sodium? And your correct answer is calcium. Calcium is a major mineral that is found in bones. 28. Bone marrow makes dash. Is it blood cells, sweat, or urine? And your answer is blood cells. The bone marrow produces blood cells. The red bone marrow produces blood cells. 29. Total ribs are dash. Is it 24, 20, or 18? And your correct answer is 24. So there are 24 ribs in total. 30. Joints connect dash. Is it bones, muscles, or cartilages? And your correct answer is bones. So joints connect bones. 31. Bone to muscle is dash. Is it tendon, ligament, or cartilage? And your correct answer is tendon. So tendons connect bones to muscles. 32. Bone to bone is dash. Is it ligament, tendon, or cartilage? And your correct answer is ligament. So ligament join bones to bones. 34. 33. Bone doctors are called dash. Is it orthopedics, dentists, or opticians? And your correct answer is orthopedics. So orthopedics are doctors that treat bone issues. 34. Bone gives body dash. Is it shape, water, or energy? And your correct answer is shape. So bones gives the body shape. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more weekly quizzes on all parts of the human body. I also have an ebook that contains over 1,000 multiple choice questions and answers on all the areas of human anatomy and physiology. If you're preparing for any competitive exams, you need this ebook, you need these MCQs to prepare effectively. Click on the link in the description page of this video or the first comment of this video to get the book for less than $2. Thank you and see you in the next one.